So we are at Quality Inn in Ocean City on 55th, 54th, and I just found some guys. So here is a pond and an atrium that they have right in the middle of the hotel. Got some cool parrots up there. Go check those out. But they've got this koi pond. Fish are pretty huge. He's swimming away. Got parrots and stuff. Pretty cool. There you go. Hey, buddy. Over the bridge. No, these guys. Oh, looks like Crystal's going to get a hold of bird. Well, that's good, Crystal. You're a girl. Put your hand out again, he might climb on.
Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty.
I want you to pet the back of his head when he does that.
Oh, okay. Oh, cute. Are you yawning? That feel good?
Like a massage. It's like,
He's
oh
like,
yeah,
oh
that
yeah,
feels
right
good.
there. Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
that's the
oh
spot.
yeah. He says you want me to. Oh my goodness. Are you funny? Oh, Kiwi. Oh.
Now, if you offer him his arm, your arm, I'm sure he'll step
Okay.
up.
On this side or the other side?
Doesn't matter. He's pretty
Will you
agile.
come here? Will you step up? Kiwi! What are you doing? Is there a treatment here? Is there like food that he likes?
He eats everything, but mostly what's bad for him.
Like everybody else, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
French toast or onion rings, he's crazy about them.
Oh, I love it.
Hiya. How you guys doing? Really? three of them in here, I think. Yeah. Yeah, you want to stand on your arm. You want to pass to me.
Oh, that's cool with a statue of the tortoise over there. If you guys are in Ocean City, Maryland, come check out the lobby here. After quality and very good.
Found a friend, haven't
I just said hello a minute ago. Hi! How are you? Are you beautiful? Hello!